Guys, it's at night, and guess what we're gonna be doing tomorrow? So we just got a new microwave. The old microwave is crap, so I'm gonna be smashing it with a sledgehammer tomorrow. So, yeah. Tomorrow, I'm gonna get a sledgehammer and kill it. Yeah. Where are you putting it?
I'm just gonna put it right there for now.
Alright. So I'm gonna kill the microwave. You have to watch it. You just have to. I'm gonna get a sledgehammer. Sorry. I'm gonna get a sledgehammer and I'm gonna sledge it. Hold on. I'm gonna sledgehammer the crap out of it. And yeah, it should be pretty cool. I would recommend watching it. So, yeah. I'll be uploaded at about 7 in the morning. He needs some milk. It's like he needs some milk. Okay. Yeah. So I'll probably get it up at about 7:30, but can't believe he's letting me do this. That's my grandpa. I call him Poppy because, what is that? Is that like German or?
I don't know what Poppy is.
Yeah. Comment down below if you know. But yeah. So, you have to watch my grocery store video. The start of it is so funny. Well, it's supermarket, that's the title. But it's so funny. Yeah. So, bye guys. I'll see you tomorrow at about 7. Yeah. No, I'm not naked. I got underwear on. Yeah, I'm weird. Bye guys. Bye.